Before starting the division of complex numbers, we need to understand another important concept called the conjugate of a complex number. If a complex number is x plus yj, its conjugate is x minus yj. Now, you can see the difference between a complex number and its conjugate. The only change is the sign of the imaginary part. The sign of the real part remains the same in both the complex number and its conjugate. Only the imaginary part has a sign change. For example, if the number is 7 plus 5j, its conjugate is 7 minus 5j. Similarly, if the number is 7 minus 5j, its conjugate will be 7 plus 5j. Both these numbers are conjugates of each other because only the imaginary part has a sign change. Now, let us start the division. Suppose we want to divide two complex numbers, z1 and z2. Let z1 be 2 plus 3j and z2 be 7 plus 5j. How do we start the division? The first important step is to multiply and divide the number by the complex conjugate of the denominator. The denominator is 7 plus 5j, so we multiply and divide by its conjugate, which is 7 minus 5j. This is the first step. Next, multiply both the numerator and denominator. From the previous video, you learned how to multiply complex numbers. So in the numerator, multiply 2 with 7 minus 5j and 3j with 7 minus 5j. In the denominator, we have an advantage. We are multiplying 7 plus 5j with 7 minus 5j, which is in the form a plus b times a minus b, using the algebraic identity. A plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. The denominator becomes a squared minus b squared. Now solve the numerator. 2 times 7 minus 5j gives 14 minus 10j. 3j times 7 minus 5j gives 21j minus 15j squared. Remember, j squared equals minus 1. So minus 15j squared becomes plus 15. Combining terms in the numerator gives 14 plus 15, which is 29, and minus 10j plus 21j, which is 11j. In the denominator, 7 squared plus 5 squared is 40. 9 plus 25, which is 74. Finally, break the fraction. 29 over 74 plus 11j over 74. Dividing 29 by 70, 4 gives 0.392 and 11 by 70, 4 gives 0.148. This is the result of the division of complex numbers. The most important concept is the first step where you multiply and divide by the complex conjugate of the denominator. The rest is simple. Multiply the numerators and denominators and then simplify.